Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be doing an unboxing and first impressions review of these Prada shoes. But before anything else, if you're new here, welcome, and if you're a returning subscriber, welcome back. My next milestone for this channel is 5,000 subscribers, so if these are types of videos that you like watching, I would really appreciate it if you could hit that subscribe button down below. And if you want to connect with me in my socials, it's Trisha Camille on TikTok. So these are the shoes that's in this paper bag. This was also from our trip to Spain, and this is actually my husband's birthday and Christmas gift for me. I didn't really have anything in mind going into that trip on what exactly I should ask for my husband. So the entire trip I was actually looking for something that I really like. I'm not huge on designer shoes. I just have very few, but nothing else during that trip really stood out to me. So I ended up with these shoes. These were the ones that captured my heart the most. A lot of things that I saw I wasn't really obsessed with, but with this one it really looked like it matched my vibe and my style, so I decided to ask for this instead. So these are a pair of sneakers and they're called the Downtown sneakers, and without further ado, this is what's inside. This comes very nicely wrapped, and it has a Prada dust bag as well, and these are the shoes. So as you can see, they're very simple. It's very me. So these are the sneakers, and I just love how they're so simple. It's just very clean cut and such a classic. So as you can see, and I'll just do close-ups, but it's just a regular sneaker with a Prada plaque logo on the side, and it also has Prada written at the back heel tab. And that's basically it, just a plain white sneaker with a black accent for the sole, and also just has Prada written on the tongue. So very simple and straightforward, and that's why I like these shoes a lot. If I'm correct, these got really popular during the time of the Nike Dunk, so I don't remember what exactly year that was, but when the Nike Panda Dunks got popular, I think that's also the time that Prada released something similar, because this actually has a similar shape to the Nike Dunks, and they even actually released a pair that looked almost similar to the Panda Dunks, except it just had a different logo which said Prada. So because the shape is very similar to the Dunk, I feel like that's the vibes that Prada was going for when they created the shoe. Actually, here are my VEJAs, and you can see that I really have a type, because they are basically the exact same shoe except with a different logo. So look at that. And even with the perforations in the front, the Prada ones have them too. So yeah, I'm very basic like that. I am a Capricorn, so I kind of like staying in the safe zone. I like being in the comfort zone. I like things that I'm used to. And because I've been so used to these VEJA sneakers and I've tried and tested them already, I knew that a pair that's similar would actually be very useful to my lifestyle. So yeah, honestly, it's just the same pair of sneakers as my VEJA. This is just like the more elevated version, but I got it anyway because yeah, I didn't really find anything else that I liked, and this was the closest to what I vibed with. Obviously, because I wore those VEJAs down, I'm for sure gonna be able to make the most out of these sneakers as well, which is why I got it. So these sneakers are just an all-leather upper, rubber for the sole, and of course for the insole, also lined in leather. For sizing, these are in a Euro 38, and for size reference, I'm also a Euro 38 in VEJA sneakers, so they are pretty true to size. I actually asked to try the 39 as well, but they didn't have it, so obviously I had no other choice but to stay with the 38, but even with socks, the 38 fits me just fine. Now for first impressions, with regard to comfortability, I would say, and I'm gonna be honest here, it's not that comfortable at first try. Like at the store when I tried it on, it's not the softest thing. Although the VEJA sneakers aren't the most comfortable thing either, but they're really good, high quality. They stand the test of time. So hopefully the same goes with these Prada shoes. But yeah, like out of the store, I'm gonna tell you that the sole of this is pretty hard. You're not gonna be walking on New Balances. You're not gonna be walking on Ultra Boosts. These are, I would say, like just from the store, okay? I haven't worn this out yet, but just from the store, it's pretty stiff. Like I don't think there's like a really soft footbed on these sneakers. So we have to see about that. But again, for like walking shoes, shoes, I feel like this would be fine because my VEJAs are also walking shoes and they do not have the softest footbed, but they still work for my lifestyle. So I feel like even if these aren't the most comfortable thing in the world, I think I can still make them work. Disclaimer, they're not painful, but it's just like not clouds type of footbed. You get what I mean? I just really like them though because they're so simple. It's not like an extraordinary new design. It's just basically Nike Dunks except with the Prada logo on it. So it's a very simple silhouette, but with that added oomph of that Prada branding. And I actually don't have designer sneakers. These are actually my first designer sneakers. I have other designer shoes, but these are the first designer sneakers that I have. So thanks to my husband for these. And yeah, that's about it. Let me know if you guys want me to do like a follow-up review on these sneakers. But like out of the box, I think these just look really gorgeous and I can't wait to style them. I know these came in a bunch of different colors as well, similar to the Nike Dunks. So if you have a specific style that you like and you just like the simplicity of the shoe with that extra branding, then I feel like you might like these downtown sneakers. But yeah, that's about it for now, and just let me know in the comments below if you want me to make a follow-up review on these in the future. So that's about it. Thanks guys for watching. If you like this video, I would really appreciate it if you could hit that like button down below. It helps the YouTube algorithm, and if you haven't subscribed yet, I would really appreciate it if you could. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!